Hi there, how are you doing tonight? So I'm excited, got my stocking here. I'm excited to share some practical ways to use your oils and to gift them. Making rollerballs. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make them for yourself or for stocking stuffers. A lot of you in this group already have oils. So why not grab some fun roller balls and make some gifts with it or help yourself. Okay, so first of all, you can get roller balls. I'm going to show you some different pretty ones. This one has gemstones in it. I have one with flowers in it. You know, they have two-tone colored ones, metallic ones, and what I'm excited about for Christmas, red and green. I think I got most of these on Amazon, and they run around $1 each. What else do I have? 5 milliliter, and most are 10 milliliter. So maybe you need some support right now, right? It's the holiday season. We're working hard. We might be stressed. We might feel down, or we have some pains. I'm going to give you, I believe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 easy blends from the premium starter kit. This is a bundle that has 12 amazing oils in it. So clear ones. So let me show you. I'm going to tell you some blends, and then I'm going to show you how to make one in case you don't know how. So I will also post these recipes in the description when I'm done. The first one that I want to recommend is a cozy winter nap. So this blend, I might choose this one for that, is with Peace and Calming and Lavender. And I would do 5 to 7 or 8 drops each. And you fill the rest with a carrier oil. My second one is Merry and Bright. And isn't it fun to think of cute names to go with the holidays? So that's what I did here. Merry and Bright is an energy blend. I'm going to use my metallic one for that. And from the starter kit, this great bundle, I would use Peppermint and Citrus Fresh. I also love Peppermint and Orange. Those are my favorite to really give me energy, help me focus on my work, and it smells so good. So all these blends that I'm suggesting or oils to put in a roller ball, I use all the time and totally recommend them. Okay, 'tis the season immunity blend. We want to stay well and boost our immune system. So for that one, Thieves by itself or Thieves and Frankincense. All of these blends I'm going to suggest uses a 10 milliliter roller ball and about 10 to 20 drops of essential oil, and the rest of the way you can put a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil, grapeseed oil, even if you had to use olive oil, whatever those greasy cooking oils you have at home. Okay, next one. This is the one I'm going to make for my daughter's teacher. It's Untangle Your Tinsel. So it's stress relief. I'm going to use a pretty green one and fill it up with my favorite one, Stress Away. And I'm sure teachers or all of us could use this right now. Okay, I'll show you how to make that in a minute. 2 more I want to share. Run Rudolph. This is a muscle blend to help with around or going crazy on your computer or device and you're tense, you're sore. So that is just Panaway, because this is an amazing blend for anything sore. And finally, Grinch Be Gone. We might need this, and especially as moms sometimes, Valor, because this one is a wonderful blend that just relieves stress, gives you a sense of accomplishment, and like, I can do this, and takes away any fears that might come our way. So those are my 6 recipes. Now, let me demonstrate how to make a roller ball. It's super easy. My roller ball's not here. I thought it was, but that's not a big deal. So I'm starting with my empty bottle, and I'm going to add 10 drops of Stress Away. It's that simple. This is how you measure oils, is by drops. So I'm going to count. There we go. 10 drops. And Stress Away is a blend of lime and vanilla. Those are the main ones that smell like vacation, tropical. And I'm just filling it up about to the top. And I love this pump because that makes it easy to go inside. And then I put the rollerball on top. That one didn't have a rollerball. That must be downstairs in my stash. So that's what the roller top looks like. And I just, I heard the snap. Push it down. And let that mix up with the carrier oil. And it's ready to go. And then I'm going to apply a cute label. And if you don't have labels, you could even just write it real cool on a piece of paper and just put tape around it. That's great too. You don't have to be too fancy. And that's how easy it is to make a rollerball. If I had 2 oils, I would do half and half, just like that. Now, if you don't have this great bundle of oils called our starter kit, then you need to get it because you can make tons of rollerballs as gifts or even give the oils away as gifts or just treat yourself to help your needs like sleep needs, stress, skin, your sinuses, your stomach, any pains, aches and pains, your immune system, helps with cleaning, and your emotions. That's just a few of the things that our starter kit bundle helps support. So I hope you roll into the holidays and make some fun rollerballs, a super fun stocking stuffer, because you can customize it for the person that it is. Even kids will love these. Especially one blend that I'm giving away is Kid Power in a rollerball. All right, we'll see you soon.